my name is 𝗧𝒢𝒄𝒊𝒂𝒍𝒊𝒔𝒕-Raleigh. I own Tone Hair Salon, Raleigh, North Carolina, and today we're doing a gray blending. So she's got some root with some darker pieces, but she's naturally pretty light, and then she's got these beautiful gray. Then she's got basically yellow orange. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm putting in foils in the right places. I'm gonna brighten her up and start blending out those grays. The goal is that she only comes to me maybe 1 or 2 times, and then it just grows out beautifully without a line of demarcation. So join me now. I'm getting ready to foil her, and here is my formulation. First, before I do that, make sure you subscribe right here, hit that button, follow me, and then follow me on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, 𝗧𝒢𝒄𝒊𝒂𝒍𝒊𝒔𝒕, Tone Hair Salon, NC. Find us. You are going to love us if you ever come to Raleigh, North Carolina. We love taking care of people from around the world. But my formula right now is lightener in 20 volume at her mids to take away that orangey color, and then lightener in 6 on just pieces that I feel like need a little more lifting, but I don't want to put 20 on to break it. We don't want to break her hair. Okay, so join me. I'm about to go foil her. All right, you can turn around 360.
Or on social media.
You can still see I didn't touch her root too much. I did put some baby lights in there, but it's mimicking the gray that she has. Do you love it?
Other side.
All right, look at that. Her gray is blended in there. And you...
Perfect. Gorgeous.
I do. All right, you want to do a little spinny round for me?
It eats.